Molweni bafundi, isahluko 13, chapter 13, and you will remember that in the previous chapter, Liziwe was in East London and she was befriended by Mqwebedu and sons and taken to Mqwebedu's sister Nongoma, who on behalf of Mqwebedu proposed to her, and after wearing her down, as it were, she eventually agreed to marry Mqwebedu because he was a handsome fellow and very talented, etc. Right, the story now moves to Liziwe, the other sister. And let us read. Zithi izibhalo, the scriptures say, Umvuzo wesono kukufa. The reward for sin is death. Umntwana kaLiziwe, Liziwe's child, selemdala ngoku, is now already grown up. Emva kwethutyana, after a short while, wabonwa, she caught the eye of umfana, a young man, ogama by the name of Tolibhadi. Bathandana, they loved one another, they fell in love. Kodwa abantu bakulo Tolibhadi, but the people belonging to the family of Tolibhadi, babengamfuni, did not want her, namely Liziwe, ngenxa yobudala bakhe, because of her age, nalento, and literally, and this thing, and shall we say, because of wazalela ekhaya. Literally, she had had a child at home. She had an illegitimate child, a child out of wedlock. Tolibhadi nangona, even though Tolibhadi wayemthanda, he loved unina, his mother, Nomacwili, zange abahoye, he never took any heed of abantu bakowabo, of his people at home. Wa lobola msinya, and he soon paid his lobola, his bridal price, as it were. Wa khupha iinkomo ezintandathu, in the form of 6 head of cattle. Kungekudala, and then shortly afterwards, not soon thereafter, or not long thereafter, shall I say, bachata, they were married. And Liziwe, uLiziwe, let me just put that name in. uLiziwe wathiwa igama elihle, and Liziwe was given a beautiful name, nguninazala, by her mother-in-law, elithi Nolasti, the last one. Kwacaca, it was clear, esandulukufika, shortly after her arrival, having just arrived at this new home, this is now Liziwe, it was soon clear ukuba that akazi kuvana noninazala, is that she was not going to get on with her mother-in-law, because kuba uNomacwili, this is now the mother-in-law Nomacwili, wayene ngcukwana, she had the irritations or small irritating habits zobuxhekwazana, of little old ladies. Enye into, and another fact, ngoku now was yayiza kuba was the fact that yaiza kukuba was the fact that Tolibhadi kwakuza kufuneka was going to have to share his love between utando lwakhe, his love between unina, his mother, nomkakhe, and his wife. So first of all, they did not get on because of the fact that Nomaxwili was an irritating old lady, and secondly, her husband had to divide his love and attention between his mother and his wife. Kwakhula msinya ukungaqondani. So ukungaqondani, lack of understanding, not being able to understand one another. Kwakhula msinya, rapidly developed. Phakathi, between Kuka Nomaxwili and her daughter-in-law. Kuba, because uLiziwe wayengakwazi ukunyamezela. Liziwe was unable to tolerate. She had no tolerance. She had no patience. Ngenxa yemfundiso zikanina unojaji, because of the way she had been brought up, because of the teachings of her mother Nojaji. End of chapter 13. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.